Hey guys, it's Jerry Van Leeuwen with the Van Leeuwen Real Estate Advisors here at Keller Williams Golden Triangle Realty, and I wanted to be the first to give you the opportunity to own a piece of history here in Hespeler. Welcome 83 Cooper Street. With previous owners such as David Rife, Louis Cribbs, and William Wingfield, this is one historic property. This home offers over 2,000 square feet. It's been completely renovated with new windows and new hardwood floors throughout the main floor and a brand new kitchen. Upstairs you're going to find 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths with a completed ensuite with a walk-in closet. And I'll let these images tell the rest of the story. This home is absolutely stunning with over 90 feet of frontage and a brand new roof. You're absolutely going to love it. Call me today to set up your private showing. And I'm Jerry Van Leeuwen with Van Leeuwen Real Estate Advisors.